Welcome to Future Funding AI. Today you will learn how to create your account and start your trial account. So before you start, just open your browser and go to the Future Funding AI. You will land on the home page. This is the India's premier prop platform built especially for futures and option traders. You can trade Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even stock futures in the up trading. So before you start, on the right side of your homepage, you can see the login. To start your 10 lakhs trial account, you need to log in. Just create account, continue with the Google. Just select your particular Gmail address. Just go with your phone number, with your verified number, 9. Continue. Your verification of OTP code sent to your registered mail ID. Just copy and verify your OTP. So you can choose your factor, any of this. I choose OTP and just I'm going with my name. Date of birth, and you need to be 18 years above this and complete your registration. Now this is the terminal of Future Funding AI. You can go with these all structures. So before you initiate, you can go with your trial account, your ads over here, and this is your trading terminal. You can check with this. Inside your dashboard, you can look for the trial account. This stimulated account has a 10 lakhs. It is completely free. You can check over here. No payment needed, no credit card, nothing. Just you need to activate and you can trade. This is how you can go with your 10 lakhs trial account. Thank you.